Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is the best crypto exchanges in Europe for beginners. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so selecting the right cryptocurrency exchange is crucial for beginners in Europe as it ensures a smooth and secure entry into the world of digital assets. So I've compiled a list of about five top exchanges known for their user-friendly interface and robust security measures. So the first one off the bat here is Coinbase. So this is founded in 2012. So Coinbase is renowned for its intuitive platform, making an excellent choice for newcomers. It offers a straightforward process for buying, selling, and managing a variety of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Coinbase provides educational resources to help users understand the crypto market. Number two is Bitpanda. So Bitpanda is based in Austria. Bitpanda caters specifically for European investors. It boasts a user-friendly interface and complies with all European regulations, ensuring a safe trading environment. Beyond cryptocurrencies, Bitpanda allows trading in precious metals, stocks, ETFs, offering a diversified investment platform. Number three is Kraken. So Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange that operates in Europe, the European Union, Japan, and the United States. It is recognized as one of the largest exchanges globally in terms of volume and liquidity. Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading and is known for its robust security measures and comprehensive trading features. Third one off the list is eToro. So eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrency, stocks, and other assets. It is also known for its user-friendly interface and social trading features, which enable beginners to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. And the last one here is AvaTrade. So AvaTrade stands out as an excellent choice for beginners willing to start their crypto trading journey. It offers a range of leading cryptocurrencies and provides transparent trading conditions with detailed information on spreads, overnight and interest rates, margins, and maximum positions. So when choosing a crypto exchange, consider factors as security measures, fee structures, range supported cryptocurrencies, and compliance with the European regulations. It's advisable to conduct thorough research and select the platform that aligns with your trading needs and preferences.